It is January 18th, 2015, and welcome to the Dr. K Birthday Roast. Okay, now then, see who has a birthday today. Fancy Neil has a birthday today. We not have a very slow audience today. Fancy Neil works at Hobby Lobby. You'll hear music sometimes when you walk into Hobby Lobby. But one song you'll never hear when you walk into Hobby Lobby is "There's Got to Be a Morning After." Alright, Christy Soak Up Baker has a birthday today. Okay, now on Facebook it says Christy Soak Up Baker. I think she prefers to be called just Christy Baker because I think one of the reasons she married Drew Baker is she said she wanted to have a normal last name and not be called Soak Up. But if you hyphenate her name, Soak Up Baker, sounds like you're talking about somebody that makes sponge cakes. Alright. Let's see. Cheryl Kent Wilson has a birthday today. And Zach Logston has a birthday today. And let's also wish a happy birthday to Mary E. Allen Miller. And thank you for watching the Dr. K Birthday Roast.